Hi everyone, Namaste and welcome to this new video, which is going to be the introductory video for the much awaited course on the Polity NCRTs. But before I move on to that, I want to welcome all of you to Anjan Kalash IS, the app that is going to be one-stop solution for all the UPSC CIC related contents. हमने अभी 1 महीने पहले शुरू करा है और जिस तरह का आप लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स मिला, जितना प्यार मिला ऐप डाउनलोड्स के थ्रू, कोर्सेज इनरोलमेंट्स के थ्रू, जो लोग कोर्स देख रहे हैं उनके रिव्यूज़ के थ्रू, बच्चे जो मुझे कंटिन्यूसली अपडेट कर रहे हैं, नोट शेयर कर रहे हैं, आंसर्स लिख रहे हैं एंड एवरी थिंग दैट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द प्रेपरेशन, दे आर मेकिंग द बेस्ट ऑफ इट और मेरे लिए वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो everything that you guys have done in the past 1 month to help me reach to this point, and definitely we have a long way to go together. I am genuinely humbled and very much blessed. Now this solution which I am going to provide you with the help of this Anjan Kalash IS app, जो कि आपको एंड्रॉयड और iOS दोनों पर मिल जाएगा. डाउनलोड लिंक्स आर अवेलेबल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, क्योंकि सारी प्रोसेसिंग, सारे कोर्सेज, सारा इंटरेक्शन अब यहीं से होना है. So you can just check this out and maybe you can download if you want to be a part of it. So your prelim cum main approach solution will be taken care of short notes के through, mind maps के through, direct live classes के through, doubt solving के through, PYQs interlinkage के through, interdisciplinary approach के through, और बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने यहाँ लिखी नहीं है, बट जिन बच्चों ने इनरोलमेंट्स लिए हैं उनको पता है कि अगर वो एक्स अमाउंट पे करते हैं तो उनको 10x रिटर्न मिलता है. तो आप एक बार एक्सपेरिमेंट करके तो देख ही सकते हो, and then you can decide it for the future courses also. Now coming back to this point of polity NCRTs, ये कोर्स बहुत टाइम से बच्चे मुझसे डिमांड कर रहे थे बिकॉज आई हैव कम अप विद द हिस्ट्री NCRT कोर्स एंड द नोट मेकिंग सीरीज. The details of this course you will get in the end of this video, so I'll not take much of your time. Very quickly I'll brief you about all the other questions and queries that you might have. आपके सारे डाउट्स यहाँ आंसर हो जाएंगे. अगर फिर भी कोई डाउट रह जाता है, कॉन्टैक्ट मी, गेट थ्रू मी. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख सकते हो, आप टेलीग्राम पे आ सकते हो, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे आ सकते हो, बट द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक प्लेस आई वुड से वुड बी द ऐप, क्योंकि उसमें चैट सेक्शन होता है विच आई पर्सनली आंसर. ठीक है, तो वो सबसे बेस्ट प्लेस है बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज़ कंपाइल्ड एट वन प्लेस, राइट. सो टेलीग्राम पे बहुत से मैसेजेस होते हैं, कभी मिस हो सकता है, बट चैट्स जो हैं ऐप के, दोज आर टेकन केयर ऑफ और टैकल्ड ऑन अ प्रायोरिटी बेसिस. Now this course, which is on the polity NCRTs, is going to be extremely relevant for the aspirants of both 2024 and 2025. How and why? We'll just proceed and you will understand. I know that we have got very limited time left for 2024. Now, but somebody, see, the whole idea is the way that I take, these classes. It's not just about the summary of NCRT. Please understand. I have already made a video on how my history classes were different from the earlier ones and the present ones. That's available on YouTube. आप चेक कर लेना, आपको कंटेंट खुद समझ आ जाएगा. बीच बीच में मैं फ्री सेशंस देती हूँ. आई गिव द डेमो सेशंस. जो भी आना चाहे वो आके ट्राई कर सकता है एंड देन दे कैन डिसाइड फॉर द एनरोलमेंट. तो यू गेट ऑल द फैसिलिटीज़ या, बट वो बीच बीच में होता है. सो डेफिनेटली तब तक काफ़ी क्लासेस हो चुकी होती हैं. सो द वे आई अप्रोच दिस एंटायर सीरीज और द कोर्सेज different from what is usually done and different from what I have also done earlier in the past. Because earlier it used to be about the summary, now it is about actually the way that we practice and the way we actually prepare and read from these books for both prelim and main approach. So that's the whole difference. ठीक है, that's the basic difference that I can verbally tell you. बाकी चीज़ें आपको कोर्स में ही समझ आ पाएंगी. Moving on to little bit about me, I'll just take 1 minute of yours. For somebody who do not know about me probably, अगर एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड की बात करें, फर्स्टली मेरा नाम अर्पिता प्रकाश है, और अगर हम बैकग्राउंड की बात करते हैं, सो आई एम अ ग्रेजुएट एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन हिस्ट्री. आई एम ऑल्सो अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट इन पब्लिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आई हैव डन माई बैचलर्स इन एजुकेशन विच इज़ BE-Ed. आई एम ऑल्सो CTET qualified. आई एम अ CBSE 0.01% merit certificate holder in mathematics. एंड दीज आर माई इंस्टीट्यूशंस, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, जहाँ से मैंने शिक्षा प्राप्त करी है. DAV स्कूल, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी एंड जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया यूनिवर्सिटी. Coming to my teaching experience, I have been teaching since 2017. I have been one of the earliest and former topmost educator at one of the online platform known as Unacademy. NCRT's expert और initiator की तरह मुझे वहाँ जाना जाता था because I was the one who started the series with the help of handwritten notes also. Initially, the series were free of cost and those are still available. Later, when the platform upgraded to the Plus platform, that was the paid classes, so I shifted to that. Presently, I take the general studies classes, which is of history, polity, and geography. More of the subjects would be added here, but on Anjan Kalash IS app, this is what you're going to get. I've been mentoring UPSC CSE students for over 7 years now. Earlier, my YouTube channel was named as Arpita Prakash. Recently, it has been changed to Anjan Kalash IS. You will very much get it if you search for it. Many free videos are available there. Many. Some subjects are more than like 90% is completed also, and definitely many toppers have been helped in the whole preparation journey. So the contribution, little contribution from my side, have helped in the multiple selections. I single-handedly cannot take the credit because it is actually because of the students hard work, but and single, no person or no institute can lead to the results of any person. That's impractical and impossible. But yes, those people who got help from the videos have shared it. Chaliye, and all of that is publicly available. Now let's come to the questions, the main questions, okay, before we see the course details in the end. Are the NCRTs really necessary? Are they overhyped or something? तो इसका जवाब बहुत सारे ना ऐसे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने अपने फीडबैक में दिया है. सो इफ़ यू जॉइन द टेलीग्राम चैनल ऑफ अंजन कलश IS, द लिंक्स अगेन आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो ना आप अगर हैशटैग फीडबैक डालते हो तो आपको वो सारे फीडबैक्स मिल जाएंगे. बिकॉज अगर मैं यहाँ अटैच कर लूँगी, इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी लेंथी एंड देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट ऑफ इट. यू कैन रीड इट ऑन योर ओन, एंड आई वुड से यू शुड रीड इट ऑन योर ओन बिकॉज यू शुड टेक एन इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन. किसी की बात सुन के करना नहीं होता है. आप थोड़ा उस पर रिसर्च करो, पढ़ो, उन चीज़ों को समझो. सो बहुत से बच्चों ने इस बात को कन्फेस किया है कि हमें पहले पता ही नहीं था कि करना कैसे है. और बिकॉज हमें नहीं पता होता है कि NCERT को कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन, आर दे रियली नेसेसरी. But very quickly, if I have to summarize, they build a very strong foundation if prepared properly, if not just read and completed, if prepared properly. Then what I also do is to integrate the PYQs in my every class. At least 10 to 15 minutes तो मेरा PYQs दिखाने में जाता है. ठीक है, so I have the PDFs ready. So if you want, I can just quickly show you also. For example, let's say this is a PDF which contains the question from 2011 to 2022, and then I also have another official PDF which is 2023 paper. So let's say मुझे कोई भी question दिखाना है, ठीक है. Let's say if I have to show the question on Buddhism because I have recently taught it in history. So let's say I'll just quickly show people कि देखो Buddhism से ये question है, ये question है, ये question है, and a lot more. Similarly, I do it for all the subjects, and this is going to be immensely helpful for the very simple reason that you would make sense of how you can relate the NCERT topics with the PYQs. I do not only show it for the prelims, I also show it for the मेंस पेपर. ठीक है, तो जो भी मेंस के होते हैं, जैसे ये 2023 का GS1 का पेपर है, तो आई विल शो कि कहाँ से कौन से पॉइंटर्स को आप लिंक कर सकते थे. सो दिस इज़ माई वे ऑफ टीचिंग एंड अप्रोचिंग. इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट द समरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट. Now, especially at the preliminary stage, the kind of PYQs which are asked, they speak volume about the significance of NCERT. But the crux again remains the same, that you should know how to prepare and not just mere giving it a read. Many authentic examples for the main stage can be picked up from them, and advanced stage preparation of any subject becomes extremely easy if you are thorough with the NCERTs. For instance, right now I am doing the ancient Indian history course from the NCERTs, but the ancient part of it. My students are now so well versed with the ancient history, chronology, portion, concepts, that when they will reach to the advanced stage of preparation and will do the advanced textbooks, they will not find any problem in interlinkages. The only thing they will have to work hard at that stage would be to add more of the facts. उनको सिर्फ वो facts add करना होगा जो किताबों में दिया होता है. ठीक है, उनका काम बहुत आसान हो जाएगा. More than 60% of their work is already being done only from the NCERTs. Because जब मैं NCERT कराती हूँ, it's not just the NCERT. I use the content from other sources also to give that linkage and give that extra edge and information to my students, right? So that's my way of teaching. Okay, so what will be the approach of this polity NCERT course? Firstly, I will not do the class-wise coverage. I'll show you the content list also. I'll not do the class-wise coverage, 6 कर लिया, 7 कर लिया. That's a very layperson method of doing that. I personally believe it should be done theme wise. So I'll show you how actually we can do this. I'll show you the content list and you will understand. Prelim come main approach, very, very important. I do not restrict myself only to one stage of the exam. I believe that if you are using one source, you are already giving it time in reading. Get the maximum out of it. That's my intention. Running notes have to be prepared in the class. You do it via recording or live classes, that's your choice. Short notes, flowcharts, and mind maps. My students do that in the class directly. We make the notes together. I have demonstrated them also, and we do it together with the timers on. Okay, this is again the method of teaching. And then let's say अगर मैं history की बात करूँ ना, so for history, if I just show you, so allow me, I'll show you this. Let's say these are the NCRT portions. So क्या है कि I would write something together. This is my writing. ठीक है. Based on this, I asked. We did an exercise just yesterday, and I opened it actually for others also to join. But my students got the maximum benefit out of it because they understood how it is to be done. So how we try to frame the MCQs when we read a topic or a passage from NCRT. This is history example. I gave them this idea that just from this section, including the heading, including the image, including the box, these are the kind of questions and sub questions, the themes on which prelims में questions can be asked. Then my students were also doing it simultaneously. ठीक है, अपने अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग से they were also doing it simultaneously, and we shared it. They shared with me and I shared it with all of them. So that was a peer learning that helped them, and you cannot imagine how immensely that was of use to you. Now if I show you like this in history, so I have added additional information from other books also. I have added these charts also. So even though it is meant to be just an NCRT course, there are many additional things which I do. Okay, so similar if needed and when needed, I will do it for polity also. Now PYQ's integration, as I have told you, both prelims and mains is done here. Interlinkages with different subjects. Now my students who have read history or are reading history with me, they know that we are including environment studies, economy, polity, society, IR, science and tech, and whatnot, and ethics. They learn to integrate all of these things, and this will do in polity again. And whenever and wherever needed, any information from advanced textbook would also be provided to you, as I have just shown you. Overall, my approach towards NCRT is summarized here. I'll just quickly read it out to you so that you understand. Reading between the lines is the USP of Anjan Kalash IS app, and I guarantee you will not find it anywhere. Trust me. You can come back to me if you find it anywhere. That's a personal guarantee that I can give you. This is something that we diligently follow, strictly follow, and my students are getting again the benefit out of it. Note making, mind maps, mnemonics, flowcharts, the basic note making strategy, which you will find at other places also, but you have to do it on your own. Conceptual clarity, so not just rote memorization of the facts, not just completing the chapters for the sake of doing, skipping the irrelevant portion. So there are many things in the book which will not be important from UPSC CSE perspective, that we will skip. And there are certain things which are very relevant but people ignore it because they don't realize the significance of it. In history, I have showed immense number of examples to my students. Okay, similar goes for all the subjects including polity, so that we will focus which others ignore. Then interdisciplinary approach, as I have told you, specific pointers for prelims and main stage, quotes and relevant examples. Definitely everything will be as per the latest trend of UPSC CSE. Chalo. Now the question is the course worth taking? Definitely you have to decide it for yourself. But here my idea is that unless you step into something, unless you get into something, how will you understand if it is worth or not? At least verbally, what the pointers that I can share with you is that I have been the NCRT series initiator in my previous organization, as I shared. Most of my contents are copy pasted and used it all over the country I am telling, and I have the proofs for it. So there is it's not just verbally for the sake of saying. I'm known for my NCRT scripts and relevant content throughout India. The notes are absolutely available everywhere. Lucid and updated explanation is something that people know me for. Note making techniques is again something that I'm known for. Reading between the lines that I have shared with you, and forming questions by your own self. which I just shared with you, right? That this is an exercise we did in the previous class. And my test series also. So I released a smaller test series of 50 MCQs. All the details are available in the Telegram channel. If you want, you can still avail. That had the questions from history, polity, and geography NCRTs, little bit of questions, and current affairs of July and August of 2023. Okay, just 50 questions at a nominal rate of 49 rupees. And people immensely got helped from that also, and the videos are also available. So anyone who got that, enrolled for that and used it, they understood that how you can form the questions and frame the questions by your own self. So you don't need to pay those 20,000 or 30,000 rupees in the for the test series just for prelims, and then you don't find the questions in the exam. So इससे अच्छा है कि आप बुक पढ़ के वो खुद ही बना लो. क्वेश्चंस तो तब भी गारंटी नहीं है कि आएंगे, बट एटलीस्ट किताब की हर वो चीज़ जो उसमें दी हुई है, यू विल बी इन अ पोजिशन टू आंसर इट. So I will say that you should try any of the first courses. These are just the initial courses. This is the third one. So that you can decide for the future courses on the app also, because you have no idea what is going to be here within 1 year. You will see, as I said, one-stop solution, and you will see enough content, enough that will help you cover your 70 to 90% of the syllabus, of the whole prelims and mains. Remaining you have to do on your own, because no one can give you the 100% coverage. Okay, so these are the existing courses. The prices will increase later. Live note making sessions, and which is completed. This was just a 5-session course. उस टाइम पे इसका कॉस्ट 150 रुपये था. लोगों ने जितना दिया, एज आई सेड, 10K का रिटर्न उनको मिला है. यू कैन ट्राई फॉर इट. हिस्ट्री NCRT विच इज़ ऑलरेडी ऑन गोइंग. सो अभी जस्ट 12-13 सेशंस हुए हैं इसमें. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट, यू कैन इनरोल. यू कैन जस्ट मेकअप फॉर द रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस एंड देन गो फॉर द लाइव क्लासेस इन द कमिंग टाइम. ठीक है. नाउ very quickly seeing the contents, because I told you that I'll be doing it theme wise, so I'll make you understand. So I'll not do class 6 का ये chapters कर लिया. No, whatever is relevant, only that what I'll do. For example, class 6 में there are some topics like democracy, related to government, related to local government. So I will help you understand about the basics of it. Of course, the details you will understand when you do the advanced books, but I will not leave you like that. So I'll tell you what theme-wise approach means. For example, we will do it in a priority basis, the most relevant part first and then the least relevant. ठीक है. So it will not be class-wise, it will be relevancy-wise. Now, for example, you see that topic on constitution is given here, parliament is given here, judiciary is given here, right? तो अब जब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, so you see constitution पे दिया हुआ है, या फिर और institutions which includes legislature, executive, judiciary. So I will club all the important themes from different classes and we will do it in a theme wise manner. So जैसे अगर हम डेमोक्रेसी पढ़ रहे हैं, तो जहाँ जहाँ पे भी डेमोक्रेसी की बात है, जैसे यहाँ डेमोक्रेसी है, यहाँ डेमोक्रेसी है, यहाँ डेमोक्रेसी, ऑल ऑफ दैट विल बी कवर्ड एट वन प्लेस. ठीक है. सिमिलरली इफ़ यू आर डूइंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सो जैसे अगर आपने यहाँ पे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल डिज़ाइन के बारे में पढ़ा, यहाँ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा, यहाँ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा, यहाँ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा, ऑल ऑफ दैट विल बी डन एट वंस. लोकल गवर्नमेंट 6 में आपने पढ़ा, फिर यहाँ भी पढ़ा. ठीक है. अब जैसे थ्योरी में जैसे देखो क्या दिया हुआ है, अगर आपने राइट्स की थ्योरी पढ़ी तो फिर मैं आपको राइट्स के बारे में बताऊंगी. देन आपने मान लो सेक्युलरिज्म के बारे में पढ़ा, ठीक है, उसकी थ्योरी पढ़ी, तो यहाँ पे you will understand about secularism. So this is how theme-wise linkage is something that we will be following here. So what does this course contain? Now very quickly going to the list of it. These 2 books are not covered. I'll come to this later. Now see what is the detail of it. I'll just take few more minutes. So all the polity NCRTs जहाँ पे Indian polity का content है, because this is in our syllabus for the GS2 paper, Indian polity का. ठीक है. So the classes which are covered are 6 to 11. 11 has 2 books. One is your political theory, very important. Every year they ask the question. And Indian constitution at work, extremely important. Gives all the basics. जिसके बाद आप जब लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ते हो तो it becomes a cakewalk for you. So 11 has 2 book and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ठीक है. और 11 तक हमने क्यों रखा है? 12th में 2 books हैं. One is on Indian politics since independence. So this is post-independent India, and this is world contemporary politics, very much related to the contemporary portion of world history. Therefore, these are not covered in the polity segment, right? सो क्लासेस 4 से शुरू हो रही हैं एंड देयर फोर द ऑफर, बिकॉज लॉन्च ऑफर हम हर कोर्स पर देते हैं, so the offer price of 1199 is valid only till 3rd of December. You are getting enough time in hand to decide it for yourself. You can check for the other courses. In fact, you can just for a trial basis if you want. ये मैं आपको पर्सनल लेवल पे सजेस्ट कर रही हूँ कि इफ़ यू वांट टू सी इफ़ द एजुकेटर इज़ वर्थ गोइंग फॉर और नॉट, ये कम प्राइस का है, आप इसको लेकर के 3rd से पहले ख़त्म कर लो, ठीक है, सो दैट आपको पता लग जाएगा। अगर आप हिस्ट्री में इन्वेस्ट नहीं भी एक बार को करना चाहते हो तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन डू दिस and just go for the hashtag feedback on the Telegram channel of Anjan Kalash IAS and you get all the important information from what your peers are saying, right? So these are the details of the course. As you can see, I'll quickly summarize. 4th of December we are starting the classes. Other details would be shared with the students who enroll for the course on the app. Course offer जो है price का, that is valid only till 3rd of December, and here are the prices available to you. I have explained you everything related to the course. The language is going to be English, but again it depends more on what kind of audiences are available. If people will more be comfortable in English, I'll be doing it in English. अगर लोगों को हिंदी इंग्लिश ज़्यादा मिक्स पसंद आएगा तो वो होगा. It depends on the audience basically, the people who are enrolled, right? Timings and everything you would get once you are enrolled as a student. So all the links are available in the description. एंड आई होप यू मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. एक ट्रायल आपको देना पड़ेगा एजुकेटर को मौका देने के लिए, अंजन कलश IAS को मौका देने के लिए. ओनली देन यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो because your time is very precious and so is mine, I will take your leave for the time being. This was an introductory video. We will very soon start with the classes. Current affairs classes are also going to be launched, about which you will get the information in a couple of days. So take care everyone. Thank you so very much for being so patient and very lovely. Thank you so much for blessing me, and I'll take your leave now. Take care. Bye bye.